Thinking about buying a brawnier truck? Hold up for a few days. The 2025 GMC Sierra HD is right around the corner, and trust me, it's worth the wait. Why settle for less perks when next year's Sierra is bringing home some serious upgrades? From pulling massive loads to packing in features you didn't even know you needed, this truck is set to take things to a whole new level. So stick around, we're breaking down 5 solid reasons why you should wait for the 2025 Sierra. And hey, while you're here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any updates on the hottest trucks coming your way. Let's jump in. Number 1. Power and performance. Under the hood of the 2025 GMC Sierra HD, you're looking at pure muscle. The standard 6.6-liter V8 gas engine cranks out a solid 401 horsepower and 464 foot-pound of torque. Pair that with a buttery smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, and you've got a truck that's ready for whatever you throw at it. Prefer a bit more grip? You've got options for rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive to match your needs. But if power is your language, the optional Duramax 6.6-liter V8 diesel is what dreams are made of. It roars to life with a jaw-dropping 470 horsepower and a torque rating that's a massive 975 foot-pound. All that power is managed by a top-notch Allison-certified 10-speed automatic transmission, making heavy-duty tasks feel effortless. If you're opting for the Sierra 3500 HD, you've got a choice of single or dual rear wheel, aka dually axle, for ultimate stability under heavy loads. From previous test drives of its sibling models, it's clear both the gas and diesel engines are built to perform. But let's be real, the Duramax diesel steals the show. This powerhouse shines for frequent towing, delivering a refined yet commanding performance. The 2500 HD Denali equipped with this diesel blew us away with its acceleration and responsiveness. Now, here's the kicker. Despite its heavy-duty status, the Sierra HD manages to deliver a ride that's surprisingly comfortable. Sure, it's a massive truck, but it feels agile, more so than many of its rivals. The steering can feel a little vague on highways, but that's a small trade-off when you consider how smooth the ride is overall. And if off-roading is your thing, the AT4 and AT4X trims bring serious rugged vibes with off-road suspension, a locking rear differential, and a tough blacked-out design that means business. And now for a start that'll blow your mind, 0 to 60 miles per hour in a heavy-duty truck. Yes, you heard that right. The 2025 Sierra HD doesn't just haul, it hauls fast. That Duramax diesel engine gives it a surprising burst of speed, making this massive machine quicker than you'd expect for its size and weight. It's not just about towing and payloads. This truck knows how to make an entrance. Heavy duty and quick, now that's a combo we can get behind. Number 2. Towing capacity. When it comes to towing and payload, this truck doesn't just meet expectation, it crushes them. The Sierra 3500 HD is a true powerhouse capable of towing up to a mind-blowing 36,000 pounds when equipped with the diesel engine, regular cab, rear-wheel drive, dual rear-wheel setup, and a gooseneck hitch. Even if you go with a fifth-wheel hitch, you're still getting an impressive 32,000 pounds of towing capacity. Not looking for quite that much muscle? The Sierra 2500 HD still holds its own with a single rear-wheel configuration that can handle up to 22,500 pounds in its top setup. If serious hauling power is what you're after, the Sierra HD proves it's in a league of its own. But the real showstopper, the Sierra HD's cutting-edge multi-function tailgate. This game-changing feature offers 6 different configurations, including a built-in work surface and even a bench. Whether you're setting up at a job site or hosting the ultimate tailgate party, this versatile tailgate adds a whole new level of practicality and convenience. It's a standout feature that puts the Sierra HD miles ahead of its heavy-duty competition. Number 3. Interior. Step inside. The 2025 GMC Sierra HD doesn't just deliver on performance, it knows how to pamper its drivers and passengers too. Slide into the cabin and you're greeted by a spacious dashboard designed with intuitive controls, putting everything you need right at your fingertips. The base trims come with a practical split folding bench seat, perfect for work-focused setups. But if you're craving a touch of refinement, options like bucket seats and a full center console take comfort to the next level. High-end touches like a head-up display, heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats, and wireless charging are modern convenience to your ride. While the Denali trim has its merits, the real game-changer is the new Denali Ultimate trim. It steps up with leather-wrapped accents, sleek Paldeo wood finishes, and a micro-suede headliner, crafting a cabin that feels luxurious without losing its rugged edge. Sure, competitors like Ram may set the bar high for upscale interiors, but the Sierra HD fights back, with practicality and space, especially in the crew cab. Storage options abound, from cleverly placed cubbies inside smartly designed exterior features like built-in side steps, rear bumper steps, LED bed lighting, and even a 120-volt outlet to power your tools or gear. It's a cabin and cargo setup built to handle workdays and weekends with ease. Number 4. Tech. When it comes to technology, the 2025 Sierra HD goes all in. Every model comes with a standard touchscreen infotainment system featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected no matter where the road takes you. Even the base trims include handy features like a 120-volt outlet and a mobile hotspot for essential connectivity. Step up the trim levels and you'll find an 8.0-inch touchscreen, extra charging ports, and an easy-to-use knobs and buttons for quick access to controls. For those who want to go all out, the higher trims offer a premium tech experience. Think built-in navigation, a booming Bose audio system, Sirius XM satellite radio, and even rear-seat entertainment to keep passengers entertained on long drives. But the real tech showstopper, the massive 13.4-inch touchscreen, is available on the Denali and Denali Ultimate trims. This isn't just a screen, it's an experience. With Google built-in, split-screen navigation, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it's a seamless way to stay in control and entertained on the go. And for serious haulers, GMC's smartphone app is a game-changer. It lets you remotely control trailer functions, save profiles for multiple trailers, and track maintenance, making towing more organized and stress-free than ever. Whether it's work or play, the Sierra HD's tech is there to back you up. Number 5. Built for safety, confidence you can rely on. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 GMC Sierra HD, and its design reflects that from the ground up. With a gross vehicle weight rating often exceeding 10,000 pounds, this truck's sheer size and robust construction provides a protective advantage for its occupants in the event of a collision. While its massive build adds a layer of security, it's worth noting that due to its weight class, the Sierra HD isn't subjected to crash tests by safety authorities like the IIHS or NHTSA. So while you can feel confident behind the wheel, smaller vehicles involved in collisions might not fare as well. Even though the Sierra HD might not offer as many standard safety features as some competitors, GMC ensures that the essentials are covered, and then some. Straight out of the gate, every model comes equipped with automatic emergency braking capable of detecting and responding to pedestrians at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. Additional standard features like lane departure warnings and automatic high beams help enhance driver awareness, making every journey safer. For those who want even more control and visibility, the upper trims deliver a suite of advanced safety tools. Options like surround view camera systems, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and parking sensors make towing and maneuvering large loads much easier. GMC's focus on trailer safety shines through with multiple camera systems designed to keep an eye on your trailer, offering unmatched confidence on the road. One standout feature is the innovative transparent trailer mode, a technology that effectively lets you see through an attached trailer for a virtually unobstructed view of what's behind you. It's a game changer for anyone navigating tight spaces or busy highways while towing. While GMC's celebrated Super Cruise hands-free driving system isn't part of the Sierra HD's offering, the truck's blend of rugged construction and modern safety technologies more than makes up for its absence. Whether you're towing heavy loads or navigating city streets, the Sierra HD is built to ensure your journey is as secure and stress-free as possible. When stacked against competitors like Ram and Ford, the GMC Sierra HD holds its own by blending brute strength with innovative features and premium comfort. Unlike Ram, which excels in upscale interiors, the Sierra offers a practical yet refined cabin, with trims like the Denali Ultimate stepping up luxury without compromising durability. Compared to Ford's focus on raw power, GMC strikes a balance by delivering class-leading towing capabilities alongside advanced tech like the multifunction tailgate and transparent trailer mode. It's this combination of rugged capability, thoughtful design, and cutting-edge technology that makes the Sierra HD a standout choice in the heavy-duty truck segment. This is our take why you should wait for the next year's Sierra. If you think alike, follow us and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.